In this short tutorial, I will show you how to log someone out of your Snapchat account quickly and easily. If you suspect that someone else has access to your account, it's important to take action to protect your privacy and security. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap two-factor authentication. Then tap on the Forget Devices option. Now you'll be able to see all the devices that have access to your Snapchat account. Find devices that don't belong to you or that you don't recognize. Then tap on the X button next to that device. Tap Yes to confirm it. Now that person does not have access to your Snapchat account anymore. Also, you can change your Snapchat password to make your account more secure. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.